But if you close your eyes,
hello guys, welcome back to some more JJ's Oakwood Adventures. How is everyone doing? I'm doing very well. Today we are back at the legendary Oakwood once again. I'm feeling very good today as I've actually lost a bit of weight. I've lost stones so far, which is also really good. But today I think we deserve a bit of roller coaster as I am been here for about 2 to 3 weeks. Now I think the first ride, as everyone knows, the first ride we're going to get on is definitely Speed No Limits. So I'll see you all by Speed. Catch you in a minute. Here we are, coming up to Speed No Limits. Gonna be a good ride.
There you go guys, cameras on the second drop, right? There goes Mike Miles there goes, camera is on the second drop. Lungs on you, Josh, mate, that's all I'm saying. What? Got a good set of lungs on you, that's all I'm saying.
Just come off the ride, Speed. Brilliant ride. We're gonna head to treetops now. See you all on treetops. Just done treetops. Brilliant ride, lovely family coaster. I love the twists and turns by it, absolutely amazing. So we're gonna go on to Pirate Ship now and have a nice relaxed ride on there. See you all by Pirate Ship. Let's go. So as Pirate Ship is testing over there, couldn't go on it, so we're gonna go on this. See you all on Stake. Just come off Snake River Falls, heading on to the path now, on the way to Megaphobia. It's quite quiet so it shouldn't be too long of a queue, but let's get on Megaphobia. Let's go.
Hey guys, you're going to see here to keep your arms and legs inside the train. The camera is on the second. Hello.
To stay on last time? Yeah, I mean, if actually there's a family coming up, but just see where they go first and then see what happens.
Legs in, cameras on the
Hey,
second.
Going in the front row. Do you want to go again? Mind if I go in the front? No, you can't. So, we just come out of Megaphobia. We did it about 5 times. Only managed to record 3 or 4. But we did it once more because obviously today the park is super quiet. And normally with the Summer Mania, the queue is normally all the way out, like, you know, past them, past down there sort of. So yeah, I mean, very quiet today. Not looking too bad. I think what we're going to do now is we're gonna make our way up to like creepy crawl area and spooky 3D. Then we're gonna go to Neverland area and all that. And then we're gonna go on to Dizzy Disc and Pirate Ship, the ones we haven't done, which are already shut. And then we're probably gonna go on Drenched. And I think the final few rides then after will be just Speed and, you know, all the stuff that are quite frilly. Probably this and Mega, really. Speed and Mega. So yeah, we'll catch you all on Creepy Crawler. So let's go. So we're coming up to Bobsleigh now. It's a bit of a confusion, I know. I say Creepy Crawler, but we're making our way now towards this. I haven't actually done this all summer. It's weird because in the summer holidays, it was super busy. But it's actually really quiet today. As you can see, go straight down there. Let's go and have the famous legendary bobsleigh once again. Off-road footage incoming. 3, 2, 1. Hi guys, and I'm home. One shot. You trying to scare me? You trying to scare me?
Somebody trying to scare me.
It's not gonna work, is it? It's trying to scare me.
Right, nobody done that before. Nah, it works on
Never gonna work. Just come out of Spooky 3D. That guy there tried to scare me, but he was an absolute failure. And he was completely useless as well in there.
Useless.
Right, let's get on Creepy Crawler and then Teacups and then move on. Let's go. Look who's back again. It's him.
Always.
It's always him.
Catch me on Drenched in like half an hour.
No chance. We're not going to get me on.
Not going on.
I promise. You will. Yeah, probably. I got a spare change clothes in a towel, so you can. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy again. It's wobbling again. And it's off. I hate this part. Okay, so we just done Creepy Crawler. Unfortunately, I was trying to get my photo, but the photos are now out. Apparently, they're returning this Halloween. Fair enough. Right, let's get on Teacups, and then we're going to make our way to Neverland. Let's go. See you in a minute.
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Just done our famous Teacup ride. I'm honestly... oh, that was fast. Right, we're going to make our way to Neverland now, see what we can do. But yeah, all's well that ends well. Let's make our way to probably Skull Rock, most likely. Then we're going to do Dizzy Disc, probably, if it's open. Pirate Ship is open. And then that after. So yeah, see you all on Skull Rock. Couldn't remember then. See you in a bit. Heading over now to the famous Skull Rock. Currently making our way down this little track here. Up there you can see London sightseeing in the bothers. There. Let's go to Skull Rock. Let's go. Coming out of this Skull Rock. It's like when you're nice and warm and then it gets cold. Oh, it's so daft. Oh, right, next ride. Tinkerbell's Flying School.
That's got to be the best pirate I've ever seen. So it would seem.
Plan. I decided to head to Drenched first because I thought that'll get me wet, dry my clothes off, then we'll go Dizzy, then Pirate Ship, then Speed, then home. See you all on Drenched. Here we are, coming up to legendary Drenched, of course. I love this ride as well, but I can only get on it once today because I've only got one spare of clothes and I want to get some other things after anyway. So yeah, I'm just gonna go on this once, see how plans are. Most likely be second row-ish, but I don't know if you can see properly. It's right about there. Let's get on it. So we just did Drenched. It actually wasn't so bad. I actually didn't think I would actually get to. So look, it's just like that part there, just a little bit of the shorts, but it's nothing much actually. So I think we're just gonna go on this later. Because I was dreading it. I was dreading thinking to myself, right, if I was there and like, you know, I was gonna be absolutely soaked. So let's go to Dizzy Disc. Hopefully if it's not shut. Fingers crossed. Let's go. What
oh my god, you can see it. Oh my god, it's actually good.
Oh, here comes Dan the
I'm
man.
here with my favourite man.
What's up? Hey.
Stole your camera.
Here comes Dan the man. Watch out, here comes Dan the man. Here he comes.
I'm still technically on my break. For another 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. Millie. Josh.
Hello.
The biggest fan. Me. How'd you turn it off?
What the hell? How are you wearing shoes inside? Are you dumb? Look all the dirt you dragged in. Look the dirt, the soil, the leaf, everything you dragged in. I didn't know I ran a foster home for failure.
Okay, so we just had a little break. We're gonna make our way over to Dizzy Disc. Fortunately, Pirate Ship is still unavailable, as I saw in the whistle stop and in the reception. So we're just gonna make our way over now and go to Dizzy, and then we're just gonna get a few more rides, and then there's about an hour before the end of the day, roundabout. So yeah, we're just gonna see what we can get on really after Dizzy, and do that really. So yeah, we'll see you all by Dizzy. See you all in a minute. Coming up to the legendary Dizzy Disc, we have a Dizzy Disc right here. We're getting in the queue. It's pouring down the rain, as you can see, and we're just gonna get on it. Bit of crappy now, which is annoying. It was nice and dry before, but what can you do, eh? Let's get on Dizzy, shall we? Let's get on. I mean, it's not the best ride of the day, but yeah, why not? Let's get on. Let's go.
Is it home time yet?
What one, G's?
What's up? What's up?
So after a wet and soaking ride on Dizzy Disc over there, as you can see, we're gonna go over to Speed, as there's nothing else to do. You completed everything apart from Waterfall, which I'm not doing, but you completed everything else. So we're gonna head over to Speed for a couple more rides, and then probably about 4:15, we're gonna head to our final rides then onto Drenched. Well, our final ride, which is normally my case then, and then we go on something else then. So yeah, we're vlogging, look. Bye. Right, let's go to Speed for a couple of more rides. Let's go. Oh, fuck. Oh, God. I'm stupid. I'm actually stupid. Jamie told me to do the bloody slide across here, across there, and I completely flunked it. Right, let's go on Speed. I've had too much laughter for one day. Oh, God. Okay guys, so bit of update. Had a few more goes on speed. I'm gonna try and get on Drenched now. It's about 20 past. See if we can get on it. If we can, great. If not, I'll make the outro. Let's go, see what happens. Quick update for you guys, little quick update. Drenched is still open. There it goes. Down it goes. It is currently 4:23. We're about to get on this bad beast here. Final ride of the day. As always, I've got to be drenched in it. Right, Drenched. See you in a minute on our final ride of the day. Let's go. There you go. Hey, hello. Some of my fans here by Drenched. We'll see them on Drenched hopefully later on. So, we just now come off Drenched, didn't get too soaked. As you can see, water's turned off. It's now the end of the day, it's like 10 to 5 anyway. So, I'm gonna leave it here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please give a big like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.